The World Series of Pro Mod was an idea that I wrote down on a cocktail napkin over a decade ago. I literally was watching the World Series of Poker, and I saw all these different people sitting around a poker table. You had the 10-gallon hat cowboy, you had the mathematician, you had the college kid, you had the trust fund baby, all these different personalities, and they were sitting around one table. And I thought to myself, how cool would it be if we could create that type of environment, that type of moment in the sport of drag racing, bring people from all walks of the racing life to one location at one time to see who's who, and somehow, some way, by the grace of God, over the course of a couple of decades of honestly trying to get to the point where we could pull something off like this, we're here. It's a dream realized for myself and a whole lot of other people, but to be in a position where you have the reigning and defending NHRA Top Fuel World Champion, Antron Brown. You've got a 6-time Pro Stock World Champion in Erica Enders. You've got all the biggest names that Door Slammer Drag Racing has ever known. Stevie Jackson, Lyle Barnett, Jay Cox, Mark Mickey, Melanie Salemi. The list goes on. It's absolutely incredible, but you pair that with the stars of Street Outlaws, No Prep Kings. You've got Murder Nova, Sean Ellington, Kai Kelly, Scott Taylor, the list goes on. It's absolutely incredible, and you bring all these people, it feels like something of a Royal Rumble, if you ask me, bringing all the biggest badasses on the planet to one place. And what's even cooler is we have global reach. We have racers here from all points of the globe. Dimitri from Russia. I mean, we have a whole slew of Middle Eastern racers, and Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic. It's so Brazil is strong up in this joint. And to see all these people come together because we all have one thing in common for sure, is that we love the sport of drag racing, and we want to be the best at it. And I don't know that I could ever have asked for what we have happening here. And the fact that we're able to do it at an iconic venue like Bradenton Motorsports Park, I always say that some bands sound better in a honky-tonk. Drag racing's that band, right? There's so many beautiful world-class facilities in the world, and drag racing's blessed to have a slew of them, a ton of incredible venues. But there's something special. Vic Alvarez, the owner of Bradenton Motorsports Park, he always says, Bradenton's a vibe, and he's right. There's an atmosphere here that's unlike anything that I've experienced in drag racing, and this is all I've ever done in my entire life. So to be able to do the Drag Illustrated Winter Series, to be able to put these 3 races together at Bradenton Motorsports Park, it feels like something out of a movie. And to pay these men and women the money they deserve to be racing for. The World Series of Pro Mod will have $150,000 up for grabs in one category, an Outlaw Pro Mod. And we're going to see probably 70 plus of the best drivers, the best teams, the best cars, the best crews in the world, all at one place in one time. And we're going to get to see who's who.